Hello everyone. Today we're exploring the profound impact of lying in relationships, particularly within marriage. Let me guide you through this sensitive but crucial topic that affects both our emotional and physical well-being. When a person lies in a relationship, a fascinating chain of events occurs both physiologically and psychologically. Let's examine these effects in detail. The immediate physical response. When someone tells a lie, their body immediately enters a stress response. Heart rate increases. Blood pressure rises. Breathing becomes more rapid. Stress hormones flood the system. Muscle tension increases. This physiological response occurs because lying activates our body's fight or flight system. It's like setting off an internal alarm that says, "Danger ahead." The emotional impact. The emotional consequences of lying are equally profound. Trust erosion begins immediately. Anxiety levels increase in both partners. Guilt manifests in the person lying, or suspicion grows in the deceived partner. Emotional intimacy begins to deteriorate. Long-term physical effects. Chronic lying can lead to serious health issues. Elevated blood pressure becomes chronic. Sleep patterns become disturbed. Digestive issues may develop. Headaches become more frequent. Immune system weakness can occur. The communication breakdown. Lying creates a destructive cycle in relationship communication. Open dialogue becomes less frequent. Partners become more guarded. Non-verbal communication suffers. Emotional walls begin to build. Intimacy decreases significantly. The trust erosion process. Trust deterioration follows a predictable pattern. Initial doubt emerges. Questioning becomes more frequent. Suspicion grows stronger. Verification behavior increases. Emotional distance widens. Impact on marriage stability. 0.00. The effects on marriage stability are significant. Decision-making becomes more difficult. Financial trust may be questioned. Intimate moments decrease. Social relationships suffer. Future planning becomes challenging. Psychological changes. Both partners experience psychological shifts. For the person lying, increased anxiety, guilt manifestation, memory strain, cognitive dissonance, self-esteem issues. For the person being deceived, trust issues develop. Self-doubt increases. Hypervigilance emerges. Emotional security decreases. Decision confidence weakens. The relationship cycle. Lying creates a destructive cycle. Trust breaks down. Communication suffers. Emotional distance grows. Intimacy decreases. Relationship satisfaction plummets. Recovery process. If couples choose to heal, Open communication must be restored. Trust needs to be rebuilt gradually. Professional help might be needed. Both partners must commit to honesty. Patience becomes essential. Prevention strategies. To maintain relationship honesty. Practice open communication. Address issues promptly. Maintain emotional safety. Create trust-building habits. Respect boundaries. The role of forgiveness. In healing from lies. Understanding must develop. Patience becomes crucial. Commitment strengthens. Communication improves. Trust slowly rebuilds. Impact on children. In marriages with children. Children sense tension. Family dynamics change. Trust lessons are learned. Emotional security wavers. Relationship models form. Thank you for joining me in exploring this critical aspect of relationships. Whether you're currently dealing with trust issues or working to prevent them, understanding these effects can help create stronger, more honest relationships. Remember, honesty isn't just about telling the truth. It's about creating a foundation of trust that allows relationships to flourish. Practice open communication, maintain emotional safety, and watch as your relationship grows stronger through transparency and truth. Keep fostering trust, stay committed to honesty, and enjoy the benefits of a relationship built on truth and mutual respect. Your dedication to honesty will be rewarded with deeper connection and lasting intimacy.